Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by clearing a workspace and laying the watch face down on a soft cloth. Use the spring bar tool to expose the link pins where arrows indicate direction. You push pins out the short way. Once a pin moves, pull it with a toothpick or fingernail and set it aside in order. Make sure to remove symmetric links so the clasp stays centered. If you need to resize more, repeat on the opposite side until the band fits snugly but comfortable. Once links are removed, you realign the two open link ends so their holes match perfectly. Misalignment causes stiff joints. Insert the pin straight in by hand as far as it will go, then tap it gently with the small screwdriver end until flush. Make sure the pin head faces the correct direction per arrows and flex the bracelet to confirm smooth motion. If the clasp won't lock, open and reseat adjacent links. A 0.5 millimeter misalignment often stops engagement. You finish by putting the watch on and checking comfort during common hand motion. It should be snug but not constricting. If a pin won't seat, remove it and clear any grit, then realign the holes and press straight in using steady pressure. Avoid excessive force. If the pin or link is visibly bent or the clasp still misbehaves, replace that part before wearing. Remember, one troubleshooting step: if alignment fails, fully disassemble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.